Good day, Brent from CCPR here, and this is like a PSA I'm gonna do. This is a HP OfficeJet Pro 7740 that was leaking, right? The printhead was leaking inside the machine, and all here was filled with ink. The black cartridge specifically, that is why it doesn't have a cartridge there. And these cartridges are 954 cartridges, right? And as of late, I've been seeing a lot of cartridges, brand new in box, leaking and coming with a defect where the hole where the ink comes out from the cartridge, I'll show you just in a minute, starts leaking inside here because of maybe heat or the location of where these cartridges are coming on. This is not just one business place that is selling these cartridges, multiple different places that giving you brand new in box, because what this is from one business place, I don't want to call names, this is from one business place, that this cartridge from this, for this customer here, you could see that this area here, that is where the ink comes out of, are compared to different cartridges that's supposed to be good. So this is the yellow. You can see that the rubber material there, oops, has a big difference in look. I'm going to use my screwdriver to show you. I'm going to make an indentation there. So it's very sticky, right? And in this one, it's supposed to be hard. It is hard. It's not to be deformed. If this goes out of place, it'll start to leak, right? So this is a cartridge I just opened because the cyan in this one and the black is empty. I'll open this one in front of you, and I don't want to say hopefully it'll look that way, but I just opened this recently. I just opened this, so I'm going to show you that this cartridge, brand new out of the box, expiry date. It had an expiry date somewhere. Right, expiry date is next year, 2024. And this cartridge, you can see, is as well a little deformed. So around, you see, with my nail. And if I put that inside there, it will become extremely sticky and then start to leak. So inside here will start to leak. So I'm trying to tell people that you might have to watch your cartridges before you put them in. So when you open the box, which is unfortunate, you'll have to check to see that this is looking like this. See, it's tough. I will press down here. I am making impressions with my finger and it doesn't get sticky, right? So I don't know if it's where they're keeping it. So it's 3 different business places I got cartridges from, and all of them that started to happen. I don't know if they're coming from the same supplier outside. So I'm going to pour, I'm going to show you that I'm opening it, right? And then, well, it might be hard for me to do it with one hand. Oops. So what I'll do, I'm going to open this and I'll show you after. Hopefully it's good, because that is the main cartridge I need. And if it is sticky, I'll show you. Alright, so I just opened it. And thankfully it came good. So you can see what it's supposed to look like. You see how solid that is? I don't know if it is that the customer kept it in a place that was hot, and that was what happened. This is the cartridge from before that was causing the leak. If I press down here, you see when I move a finger, you see the rubber actually coming off. Right? You see that? So that is what causing the issue. So this cyan is low, so I have to wait till I can get next one. So beware of where you're buying your cartridges. So you can see, watch. That is brand new from a box. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.